Hi and welcome you guys. Today I want to show you the Mediabook release here in Germany for Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves, starring Kevin Costner from 1991. This one was out last week and it features both the theatrical cut and the extended version, which you can see over here. No, it's not. Oh, come on, let's get this thing sharp. Yeah. The theatrical cut is about 143 minutes long, the extended version 155 minutes. What I've heard so far concerning the German audio, there are some new speakers on the extended version. I don't know about the original audio, the English one. I think they kept the original speaker. And yeah, the theatrical version is only available in stereo, which you can see over here. And the extended version comes with 5.1 audio. Yeah, the extras I will enlist in the comments as usual. Can you see this? Yeah, now it's becoming a bit sharper. This is the back side, by the way. So let's have a look inside. I don't know what's wrong with my camera today, so now it's sharp. Alright, so let's remove the disc and have a look. Wow, there's Marianne. And the other disc looks like this. And I think it's Morgan Freeman. Yeah. So I will show you what's inside. I have to say the picture quality is really, really sharp and great. Sometimes you get media books where you say, well, it's less than average, the picture quality, but this one is really looking great. There is more text and pictures. That's what I've read before. I think there was a extended version out on Blu-ray 10 years ago. I don't know if that one was a bootleg. I think it was. But this is the very first release with the theatrical cut here in Germany on Blu-ray. It's about the life of and the epos of Robin Hood, the achievement, something about Sherwood Forest. Yeah, that's the director, I think. I don't know about his name. And about the merchandise. I think this actor passed away already. I forgot about his name. Yes, well, that's it so far. I hope you like it. And yeah, see you around. Bye.